Hey, this is James, and I just want to let you know that I just went to the Great American State Fair. And you see that background in there? That's the Air Force Memorial here. And I know right now there are a lot of people out there that don't agree with the Great American State Fair, but I'm here to tell you get over it, okay? The Great American State Fair is about everybody uniting. We're called the United States of America for a reason. United States of America. Listen to that again, okay? There's a lot of artists, musical artists, that have not gone to this great American state fair because they don't agree politically with what's going on. Well, you know what? That's your right and that's your freedom to do that. But just keep in mind, when you decide to quit, I don't want to be part of the Great American State Fair, is because you have that freedom to do that. So I think a lot of artists and a lot of people are complaining and moaning because they don't agree with what's going on because they don't like Trump. Well, you may not like Trump. You may like Trump. You may have voted for him, and you may disagree with some things he does. Just like people who voted for Biden, they may disagree with some things he does. That's just the way it is, and that's the American freedom point about it. Okay, but please stop with the negativity and the crybaby nonsense about me. I'm a little baby. I want everybody to be negative like me because I want everybody to die before they're 60 and have a heart attack because I can't see any joy in the American State Fair. So I just want to spread gossip and this and that on how bad this is. And when Trump speaks, people want to run away. I mean, all this negative news. It's ridiculous. Wake up. You are in America, okay? News outlets, and you have the right and the freedom to do what you do. But why can't you just add a little positive spin to it and go, you know what? People met at the Great American State Fair and they agreed. Democrats and Republicans from different states came together and they had a good time. Wow, amazing. Imagine that. Let's stop being controlled by Democrats and Republicans, people, okay? Let's let's honor the military. And if you're in the DC area and Virginia area, I highly want to encourage you to go out there and say, hey, you know what, to a service member, hey, thank you for your freedoms. You know, we went to the Tomb of the Unknown today, and we saw families where their son had gotten killed. I don't know what war it was or what happened. It was in the line of duty, but that person put their life on the line. That's what you do. I'm former military, I'm former Navy. You put your life on your line for the country. That means you will sacrifice your life because you love the United States of America so much that if something happened to you, that you're willing to die for this country. You're willing to die for the people. You love the people of the United States so much that you're willing to die for them. That's right. Now, not all wars we agree on and conflicts and so on and so forth. None of that is ever going to be agreeable. But let's get real, America. Okay? We have to respect our men and women in uniform. They're putting their lives on the line for us at any time. I saw some great men and some great women there tonight at the Great American State Fair. And I just want to say thank you if you're one of those listening tonight to this. So let's get real, folks, okay? Let's stop the nonsense of, wah, I'm so negative because the Democrats and the Republicans, I don't like who's in office, blah, blah, blah. It's not about them. It's about the people who served, and it's about going out and honoring the people who have served, okay? So please remember that. You have the right to complain and moan and cry about things because you're an American citizen. No doubt you have that right. But let's get real, okay? When you really think about it, is that healthy for you to be like that? As you're getting older, do you think the risk of heart attack rises or decreases with every complaint that you're doing because you don't like something? Let's get real, health-wise. Do you think, you know what I'm saying? Just anyway, you have the right to do that though, because you're an American. But you know what? Doesn't matter. I suggest go out there, have some fun, enjoy it. 250 only comes one time in our lives, and that's it. The next one's 275. God willing, any of us are alive to see it. And then 300 in another 50 years. God willing, any of us are alive to see that. Okay? Life is precious. Try to have some positivity in your life. Enjoy your freedoms. And thanks for listening to this video. If you like this, please please hit like. If you disliked it, please hit dislike. That's your choice. If you want to comment positive, positive comment. If you want to comment negative, negative comment. All right? If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe to the channel. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. That's your right as an American citizen. But I just hope that we as a country can unite some as people and be one. Okay? Come on, we can do it. Come on, America. We've done it before. We can do it again. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Have a great night and happy 4th of July. Bye-bye. This is James Rudd. Take care.